Good morning to all of you. Normally, while dealing with the Limitation Act 1963, you were told that Section 3 bars a limitation if the case is filed after the limitation period. But Section 5, almost Section 4 to 24, they are the exceptions for the so-called limitation. That means Section 5 particularly. Section 5 says does not apply for suits. It's only for appeals and applications. So if both the appeals and applications are not filed within time, and if they are filed with a delay, you can get the delay condoned by your explanation with sufficient cause. If you are able to convince the court with a sufficient reason or sufficient cause, because of so and so conditions I could not file the appeal in time, it may be allowed. So the delay will be condoned as per Section 5 of the Limitation Act. We have seen number of cases, years together, 2 or 3 years. When I was telling you the case of that MRO Tadikonda, he filed the appeal after 5 years. Of course, High Court of AP has come down heavily on him, but imposed a fine of rupees 25,000. So they may take it on file also. So we have been told umpteen number of cases as regards Section 5. But here it was not agreed. Supreme Court said that High Court has grossly erred in condoning the delay of 1011. That means 1011 days condonation of the delay. Where it happened, not in other place, only in Andhra Pradesh, the AP High Court. So we'll go to the case facts. Justice M.R. Shah and Madam B.V. Nagaratna. So they set aside the order of the AP High Court condoning the delay of 10-11 days, observing that the High Court has not got its discretion. It has not exercised its discretion judiciously. No explanation for the delay. No reasoned decision for condoning the delay. No satisfactory explanation for the huge delay. Then how the delay was condoned? This is a peculiar fact, or this is a $100 million question. Now coming to the facts of the case, please remember, you can see the case as Majji, M-A-J-A, Majji Sannamma alias Sannyasi Rao versus Reddy Sridevi and others in civil appeal number 7696 by 2021. The decision came on 16th December 2021. Right. Please remember, actually this respondent, that is Reddy Sridevi and others. Reddy Sridevi and others, they filed for a copy of the certified copy of the judgment dated 4/2/2017 of the trial court, maybe Mr. Kaklam district. Right, actually our great man, this Majji Sannamma, actually a case was filed against Sannamma and Reddy Sridevi and others. So they wanted to contest the matter, so they have applied for the certified copy of the judgment on 4/12/2007. Right, okay. And the judgment, the copy of judgment, certified copy, was ready for delivery by 10/3/2017. So you may be knowing, Section 5 clearly says that if there is any, Section 6, if there is any delay in getting the so-called certified copies, that will be condoned, that period will be excluded. Suppose if you take 15 days time for getting the certified copy, if you have to file the appeal within 30 days, so you can file it within 45 days. But when they filed it after 10-11 days, almost you can say 3.5 years, the respondent filed the second appeal with 10-11 days delay. But High Court observed. Now the contention of the advocate for the so-called sufficient reason also you have to know, right? So no willful negligence, definitely we will write like that. Then On 15, yes. She was aged, okay. The woman, that is Sanyasama, I think, Sannamma, Majji, Sannamma and Sanyasrao. So Sannamma was aged about 45 years and she is looking after the entire family, entire litigation also. And she fell sick and she was advised bed rest during the year 2017 and 2018. But what happened to the next year? So the explanation given by the so-called appellant is totally not acceptable and section 5 is not properly applied. So therefore Supreme Court set aside the order of the High Court. High Court observed that there is no willful negligence and of course by awarding a cost of rupees 2000 they have condoned the delay, which the Supreme Court said it is not at all viable, it should not be allowed. So please remember, that's why I have been telling you, try to file the case in time. If not, get it condoned by offering explanation. In one case, I told you that day-to-day explanation is also to be given. No doubt, the courts are considerate because when once second appeal means there is definitely a point of law, question of law has to be decided. It has to be accepted. But so much of delay. Suppose if it a delay of 100 days or so, it would have been accepted. But 10, 11 days, she might have been sick, she might have fallen sick, and presently we will apply for the COVID-19 pandemic. All these things are there. But still, they are lame excuses. Supreme Court did not satisfy. That's why sufficient reason, even though there is no definition for the sufficient reason, every time it changes on the facts and circumstances of the case. So please remember, 10,011 days accepted by High Court is a miracle, and the rejected by the Supreme Court is definitely the point of law which you have to appreciate. So please read the case and definitely you will appreciate the facts and the decision given by the Supreme Court also. Thank you very much.